If you've recently purchased an induction cooktop or are thinking about buying one, something important to keep in mind is how you will maintain and clean the glass ceramic surface. Doing so can easily keep your kitchen cleaner and make your new appliance last longer. In this video, we'll quickly go over some simple ways to keep your induction cooktop from getting dirty, how to best clean it after cooking, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how to download our free induction cooking buying guide to learn even more about induction cooktops. One of the key features of induction cooktops is that the pans themselves become the heating surface, not the cooktop itself. Because of this, you can place parchment paper underneath your pots and pans when you're cooking. If you're cooking something messier, like pasta sauce or frying, this creates a barrier between your food splatter and the cooktop itself that won't affect the power output of the induction elements. If you don't want to use parchment paper, we recommend using a non-abrasive sponge with dish soap or degreasing cleaning spray. Afterward, you can use a non-ammoniated glass cleaner to give a streak-free shine. Remember, most glass cleaners have ammonia, but you should be able to find non-ammoniated versions like Purple Windex and more. By nature, an induction cooktop is one of the easiest kitchen appliances to clean because of its non-porous ceramic glass surface. And keeping your induction cooktop clean will help it last longer and keep it cleaner over time. Click the link in the description to download our free induction cooking buying guide to learn more about your new induction cooktop or if one might be right for your cooking style.